All right, go ahead.
All right, we're ready.
Just keep the light on it.
This is the Mr. Valve. Oh, wow, Greg. That's how you turn it. There you go. Let go. Fuck yeah. Let's do it again. Wow. That thing is... Where the fuck did you get that?
The camper compound. I don't think we should do anything else.
Oh, you can't.
You can't. It's just dribbling now. It's broken.
It's totally broken.
You know what, though?
Oh, at least we could fuck with it before. Now we
Take
can...
it. No, shine the light on the dribble.
You don't get pissed about that. I mean, all you have to do
I
is
don't
just
give a fuck.
shut off the valve.
You broke it so hard.
Where's the freaking tool for this? They don't have a freaking tool to open up this valve.
They don't have nothing.
They don't have anything.
Hold on, let me get a zoom. Right there.
It's a pentagon. It's Satan's devil.
Clearly.
Satan's faucet.
You could probably put something here if we had like a pyramid or something. It would like make it. Oh.
If you need to wash your
Done,
feet,
done.
oh, this is perfect. Don't fuck with it anymore.
I'm not. I was just
Stop
gonna
it.
watch it. I mean, what do you?
Watch the wine, all right? That's the most important thing. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. We got enough for...
With enough brute farts, you can't fix anything.
With enough monkey wrench. Thank you.
All right. Well, anyway, as long as we don't get sued for property
No,
damage, I think we'll be all right.
No, we actually fixed it.
Yeah. I mean, all it is just a shitty fitting. Just all you have to do is just shut the valve off and put a new fitting.
Yeah, we fixed it. Yeah, okay, sure. I'm glad we have the tools for the job.
I don't feel happy about anything that happened.
I don't give a fuck.
Why don't you feel happy? Feel happy.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're still videographing?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, videographing. Not bad.
That's fine. Where's my beer?
Do you want to take a,
No, that's my beer right
take a
there.
shot of this Dewar's?
That's my beer.
Yep. Okay, we will, Mom. We had a problem.
The water broke.
Yeah. The maintenance guys know about it. They're gonna fix it. Yeah, it did. We just turned it like a normal amount. It just the O-ring blasted out, and the whole thing was just. So we were able to stop it.
It was like a 10-foot stream above, like out of the town.
Yeah. What was that? Yeah, they know about it. So they're gonna come fix it tomorrow. We were just trying to Stop it for now because it was coming out like.
Is it good whiskey? Or bourbon?
I'm sorry to wake you up. I know this is right below.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Real good? This is the cheap version of Dewar's.
That worked.
She said, the old people come in and they say it's exactly Dewar's. They say it's Dewar's in a shitty bottle.
Old people are dying.
People are dying.
We fixed it.